Welcome to the RT3. We're going to show you all the features of it's a remote control machine as well as a rider. It's a 3-in-1 machine. 3-in-1 machine. You can push it, ride it, or run a remote. So we're going to go ahead and show you the adjustable handlebars to move it in and out for transportation. Adjust it for your height. You have smaller people working with you. We're going to go ahead and tilt it back and show you our head system. Take a screwdriver. These are what we call our resin holders. They have 3 holes on the back. And then I'll show you how we're going to attach our metals. It's magnetic, so the metals just have holes. You just pop them on. And then when you go to remove them, you just take the screwdriver. There's a little notch in the top, pop them off, and put the resins on. It has an adjustable shroud. It also has a polycarbon shroud as well. The boom down. And show you how the boom adjusts up and down. So you take What makes the vacuum so unique is it runs off of a blower motor, so it keeps up with the CFM. Now, what makes this grinder and vacuum combination so unique as well is it's 220 single phase or 3-phase. We know power is an issue. We're going to go ahead and attach the vacuum to the grinder. There's 2 pinpoint. One has an Allen screw and the other one has a locking mechanism. You lock those 2 down. Hook up your vacuum port and make sure your other bar is on as well. What makes this vacuum so unique, we're going to show you the inside of this vacuum. So filters never get impacted because it's just constantly keeping itself clean. It's the unique thing about it. And as you see down below, it also has another attachment down there that you can hook up a T and you could have boom and bring the boom up to us. We are now going to hit on. And we're going to go forward. And then we're going to adjust our walking speed, which is our drive speed. So you can adjust your drive speed of how fast you want the machine to move. And then on the left side it says RPM, which is your head speed. You can adjust how you want that. And then if you notice the control, you go left or right. You can hit the emergency stop, and then just to restart it, you can turn it, and it clicks back up, and then it'll go and start it again. We are now going to show you the remote control. Make sure that your machine is in mobile. Drive speed controls here and our head speed. Then you can back it up from your remote, and then you have also your joystick. It goes left to right. You can actually get out, move cords if you have to. You need to step away and talk to a customer to keep your machine grinding. Because when your machine stops, you're not making any money. One of the cool features features too is we also have the LED lights on the machine. We have a back one. We have a front one. What this does allows you to work at night and also shows you your scratches in the floor. You can amplify the floor and make sure that you're getting all the scratches out. This is what the remote system is all about. Hope you enjoyed our video. Give us a call if you have any questions. Thank you very much.